video is a split pea dal recipe or a dal curry recipe. This is something that you could have on a meat-free Monday. You could have it as an accompaniment to other dishes on a Monday if you're not having any meat, or as we normally have it as a side dish to most of our meals. In most homes, Indian homes, this is a dish that is served almost every day. So let's get started. For this recipe, you're going to need yellow split peas. You could get this in most supermarkets, and this is what it looks like. You can also get this at also the spice shops. So let's get started. Soak some pea dal in hot water for a few hours or even overnight. Wash your dal thoroughly, top it up with some water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you're going to add half a chopped tomato, a teaspoon of turmeric and a few cloves of garlic, and then you're going to boil them all together. Add in half a chopped tomato, a few cloves of garlic and a teaspoon of turmeric. Mix it together. Turn down the heat to medium and allow the pea dal to cook till it is soft and mushy. After 30 minutes, your pea dal is now cooked. You can see here it is nice and soft. It's important to keep adding water as it is boiling so that it does not get caught at the bottom or even get burnt. So now you can turn off the heat and take the pot off the stove and get ready to add your braising spices. We're going to make the braising spices in the pan. For your braising spices, you're going to need half a chopped onion, a few leaves of curry leaves, 1 green chili. You could add more if you like, or you could omit that. You need a teaspoon of braising spices. This you can get at most Indian spice stores. You could ask them. It's normally a combination of seeds that you use to braise or cook vegetables. And finally, you need about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander to garnish your pea dal. You need some salt to taste. About 3 teaspoons should do, but you can adjust it accordingly. So let's start braising. Heat up about 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan and add in your spices. Allow it to cook for a few minutes until you hear it popping. Add in your onions, green chili and your curry leaf and allow it to cook for a few minutes until the onions are translucent and some of them are light golden color. It should take a few minutes. You could turn down the heat ever so slightly to avoid your onions from getting burnt. When your onion mixture is cooked, add the contents into the pea dal that was cooked. Bring the pot back onto the heat and allow it to boil. Once it starts boiling, simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes until well combined. At this stage, you might want to add in some water if you find it is too thick, but here you see it is the perfect consistency. Once your mixture starts to boil, add in your salt to taste Mix it thoroughly. Turn down the heat and allow it to simmer for about 10 minutes. Once 10 minutes have passed, you'll find that it is well infused, and then your dal is ready. Take it off the stove, and then you're ready to garnish. Add your chopped coriander to the cooked pea dal. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe. Thank you for watching.